So we have a case study for you now from Bharti Airtel and Aitel Digital.
Hello everybody. Today I'm here to talk about becoming a customer-centric telco. And this is the story of Airtel from the last few years. In 2016, with the nature of competition changing, the Indian telecom industry witnessed massive erosion in revenues. From a $32 billion revenue market in 2017, there was a 30% drop that led to a $22 billion revenue market in 2019. And this was because of a new player entering the market. The new player bought with it free telecom services for a year, much like an internet company. And this was followed by another year of subsidized tariffs. As a result, the last 5 years saw severe consolidation. From an 8-player market, we saw a 3-player market. And why a 3-player market? There was one player who was a 2G provider. The other is literally struggling and losing market share, leaving Airtel and Jio. With the ultra-low tariffs and stiff competition, the question we asked is, how does one compete in such a market? And the answer was very simple. It had to be about a singular focus on providing a differentiated experience for our customers. And that led to two things: a brilliant experience and focus on quality customers. So what does customer centricity mean to us? It was all about becoming customer back in our thinking. A couple of years ago, we ran this campaign, I Am Airtel. Every single employee of Airtel focused on taking ownership of our customers, their pain points. It was about empowering the frontline teams with product, analytics, and scalable processes to improve effectiveness. This was a whole new mindset, and our hope was this would lead to new results. So how did our customer experience strategy evolve? It was all about 5 key pillars. We focused on being omnichannel, be where our customer wants us to be. We focused on digital first, empower our customers to self-serve. The world was going digital. We had to go digital too. It was about purpose, empowering our front lines to serve the customer better and faster. There was a war on failures, a relentless focus on fixing customer pain points. And finally, we were the open telco, transparent and proactive about our communications. And today, I'll focus on a few stories around our efforts in Omnichannel, our efforts in digital first, and also what war on failures meant for us. On Omnichannel, the focus shifted to acquisition. Our aim is to be where our customers want us to be when they choose to buy something from us. Customers today at Airtel can start anywhere and finish anywhere across Airtel channels, be it our Thanks app or our retail stores or even our contact centers. Imagine the scenario of a customer walking into a retail store and they are interested in a broadband service. If they left that transaction incomplete and called us later a couple of days ago, the call center agent would have all the information of what the customer shared with us in that retail experience ready to go, making that customer experience seamless. And should the customer choose to finish this purchase later on the online app, the order would be right there, ready to be finished online. This is omnichannel acquisition. We took that same philosophy into experience, omnichannel experience. Delight our customers with an easy and hassle-free experience. Here, the innovation I want to talk about is that of the Airtel Service Portal. This is a singular portal that is available to any agent who is helping a customer. This could be somebody who's coming to install our service at your home, at our customer's home, or it could be a retail agent who's talking to our customer. All of them have the Airtel Service Portal. And this portal has data on all of our customers. It tells the agent all the products that our customers purchase from us. It tells the agent of all the complaints that are currently open that we've not wrapped up yet. So you could be empathetic to the customer and will also tell the agent and even recommend to the agent the next best service the customer could pick up. All this in one service portal, creating an omni-channel experience so our agents can serve our customers better and give them an easy and hassle-free experience. Let's shift gears to digital first. India is a very large country, and just on the Airtel network, we have 320 million customers, and they speak anywhere between 20 to 25 different languages. And more importantly, there's a large segment in India who may not actually know how to read some of these languages. This is where innovation becomes paramount. How do you then give such customers a seamless experience? And this is when a voice and a chat interface becomes very important. Today, customers all over India, with a click of a button, can speak to our online app and ask for a recharge. And that would be seamlessly delivered just on the voice command. And they can use this voice chat for a variety of scenarios. Check on their latest bill, or it could be about finding the nearest store. All these services are available via voice on our app. So that's definitely digital first. Here's another example of how we thought digital first. Airtel has a very, very large contact center. We're talking 17,000 agents and more. Now, we used to have a service where hundreds of human listeners would log in and listen to calls to understand how our agents performed. And we would use this data to help our supervisors make the agent quality better through training and other means. Now, when we put on our digital first cap, we thought of a completely new way of coming to the same outcomes. We wanted to leverage the power of AI through a speech analytics platform to give real-time signals of how our agents interact with our customers and take these signals to the supervisor who could then help coach the agent. Now, from sampling our agents, we had 100% coverage on every single agent, allowing us to actually single out the agent who needed help and provide training. This technology could do wonderful things. Things like analyze the sentiment of the call. Are our agents getting angry? It could analyze things like hold times. Are our agents taking more time than is required to serve our customer? All these signals was in a feedback loop, allowing our supervisors to help improve the agent quality and hence improve our customer experience. So that's definitely another story around the digital first approach. I want to share a third story, and this is about self-serving journeys. Today, a classic example would be that of the Wi-Fi hub. If your broadband service at home is facing some problems, you could log into our app and run a diagnostic yourself. And it would tell you exactly the steps you got to take to make that broadband problem go away. And if not, hand it off to the call center through a quick call. Such self-serve tools are now present on the online platforms of Airtel, allowing our customers to self-serve. I want to shift gears now to war on failures. War on failures is all about digitally monitoring areas of failures and looping that feedback back to the teams who can then deliver immediate fixes. Today at Airtel, we are digitally monitoring all our services, whether it be our app, whether it be our broadband billing systems, or whether it be even the software that is manning our call centers. And it records every time we fail. And this information is fed back to various engineering and product teams who would then go make fixes that improves the overall experience. Now, this is an activity that is happening every day, 365 days inside Airtel. And what are the results? Well, our non-network complaints has fell 60% over the last year and a half, and our network complaints have reduced 50%. And this is a massive drop in faults across our systems. It's very powerful. Now, all that, I want to bring it back to the 5 pillars. Today, we are omnichannel in how we serve our customers. We're digital first in empowering our customers. We've got purpose for our front lines. There's a focus on war on failures. And finally, there's open telco. We promise to go the extra mile for our customers. And new mindset, as I said before, leads to new results. Today, we have scaled our business across the board. Mobility, we're seeing 340 million customers on our network. Our broadband division has 3 million homes. Our satellite TV division is seeing 17 million homes. Our B2B business division has 1 million SME customers. Our digital assets, be it the Thanks app, which is at about 90 million MAU, our Wink Music app, which is at 70 million MAU, and our digitally assisted channels, it's at 170 million MAU. All our businesses are scaling today, and the icing on the cake, we are at a lifetime high market share. We have the highest ARPU in India, a 34% gain in the last 2 years, and our EBITDA growth, it's seen 120% growth in the last 3 years. So with that, I just want to tell you, this is how we have focused on being a customer-centric telco. Thank you so much for your time. It's been a pleasure.